If you have not had the opportunity to open up or close your garage door for a few days, you really should speak to a professional company that could resolve the issue. In some instances, the matter can be resolved within a few minutes. However, without having the proper tools or expertise to produce these repairs, it may not happen at all. Looking to repair a garage door can be quite a problematic situation. It could also be dangerous if you are working with a heavy garage door or seeking to replace the torsion springs. That's why you ought to call AS Garage Door Replacement Aurora, Illinois, a dependable business which will help you resolve these issues.